I'm super excited to share with you an early look at our upcoming built-in and simplified workflow to make configuring and testing your DR strategy incredibly easy. Let's jump in. So here's our database cluster in Oregon. It's for the same TradeX app that we saw in an earlier demo. We're going to set up replication to a new cluster in Virginia and then conduct a failover. Here we choose our Virginia cluster as our DR replica. Then let's choose to replicate the TradeX database. We need to next set up bootstrapping, which is the process of seeding an initial copy of the database over to our target cluster in Virginia. Now, we do want an alert if our lag between the two clusters exceeds 1 second, because we don't want to lose more than 1 second of data in case of a total failure. The DR stream is in progress being set up. The database continues running. There is no downtime, but some operator actions, such as config changes and version upgrades, those are disallowed. And voila, we're done. Replication is now active. We are now replicating data from the DR primary. Meanwhile, the DR replica is receiving data and is indeed able to handle database reads. Well, everything's going great. Let's fast forward a month or two and bam, there's an emergency. Users, the CIO, everyone is in crisis. We see this error message in the DR stream, and we even learn from elsewhere that Oregon itself is down. So it's a big company decision, really. We as a team decide we need to failover now. And this is not a graceful failover. That was the orange button. This is a immediate failover from that action menu that will, in fact, orphan some data on the Oregon cluster. But we need to do that to get our app running again. We trigger the failover, and behind the scenes, we marked that Oregon universe as failed. We've promoted also behind the scenes the Virginia cluster to be the new DR primary, and we now allow reads and writes. As a result, our app can recover, resume, and we've achieved business continuity. Well, that went by really fast. With a few mouse clicks, we failed over, and we are working to make it that simple in both our UI and the API. Easy and integrated DR orchestration with async replication powered by YugabyteDB xCluster. That's our new DR solution.